Some good news here. We're getting closer to a vaccine.
A Food and Drug Administration panel is meeting Thursday to consider approving the Pfizer COVID vaccine. If it is approved, the first immunizations could happen up to 36 hours later. That's according to the chief advisor for Operation Warp Speed. The program is a collaboration between government agencies to get immunizations distributed nationwide. For a clear look at a possible timeline, we're bringing in our medical expert, Dr. Arnold Baskies, with the Global Cancer Control Advisory Council. Dr. Baskies, if the vaccine is approved Thursday, just how soon could immunizations start? It's what everyone wants to know. So let's talk timeline here.
After the vote of the advisory committee, the decision then moves on to the FDA itself. But even if the FDA's group of independent vaccine experts votes to advise authorizing the Pfizer vaccine, it's still unclear how soon after Thursday's meeting that the FDA will make the final decision whether to authorize it for emergency use. So it's a little bit more complicated, but we do hope that by December 15th, there will be distribution of the vaccine. The distribution and the logistics of this are going to be challenging, but they've already been tackled and they're already under consideration. So there is light at the end of the tunnel, as we're fond of saying, for this particular problem. And I think by the summer, we will have millions of people vaccinated. So we're only 150 to 180 days away from having, hopefully, a very good summer.
Okay, so by the summer, many of us could be vaccinated. That is key. Now, a majority of us are not in that phase 1A, those frontline workers, nursing home residents. So when would the general population get a chance to take that vaccine? You're saying June at the earliest?
No, I believe it'll be by March before that there'll be general administration. There will be a huge demand for this. And one of the nice things about these vaccines, especially the Moderna vaccine, is it's scalable. They can make millions of doses relatively quickly. So that's the good news. So I think by the early spring, at least by March, we will have a rollout to the general population. And that's only 3 months away. So start counting.
Dr. Arnold Baskies, we'll be seeing a lot more of you over the next few weeks and months for that matter. Thank you.
Thank you, Jackie.